Hello everyone. Today I am coming with first interview experience video with my friends who recently got selected in ECI Telecom as well as the Saskens. And in this video we are going to cover the detailed his experience, how he got selected, what are the procedures he faced, these things. That's why we'll get the idea what to do, when to do, what not to do. First of all, I should say thanks to Abhishek for coming here, and I hope you will share the very good interview experience. That's why you will get a proper guidance.
Okay.
Abhishek, first of all I would like to ask you, please tell me something about you.
Okay, man. So basically, my full name is Abhishek Kumar.
Okay.
Basically, I'm from native place is Jharkhand.
Oh,
so I completed my BTech from the Uttarakhand. Okay, so it's a really interesting Uttarakhand Haridwar. Okay, so I completed my BTech in the 2019. Okay, and I got a college placement, but I was not satisfied with this placement.
Okay.
Then I come to Bangalore.
This is one the really interesting thing is that he completed his schooling from the Jharkhand, then he completed college from the Uttarakhand. Then after, as per his interest to explore himself, he went to Bangalore to learn something, I think some programming language to get a software industries. That's really interesting. What about your things, Abhishek? After the engineering, what are the things you did after the engineering?
After the engineering, it's a 2019 pass out.
Oh,
so recently 2019 pass out, and after I got my degree in June, and already I got one offer letter and a college placement.
That's nice.
But I went there, then I see this was the testing engineer, then I was not satisfied with this job. Okay.
Yeah.
So after that I decided to come to Bangalore because everybody is telling in the Bangalore is software industry, and I have also I lack of programming language. Okay. Then I take a guidance from my seniors, and then his guide to me, if you improve your programming skills, then definitely you have a lot of opportunity. Okay. So after that I improvise my communication skills. Communication skills also important for me, because my higher schooling is Hindi background. Okay, so I come to Bangalore. First thing is first improvise the programming skills in whatever the requirement for today's industry requirement is. If you have a proper knowledge, then you give your 100%. If you have a lack of knowledge, then you have a lack of confidence also.
You are telling after the engineering, you got you selected also, but because of the system means you don't have interested in that field, you got that that offer letter. Actually guys, these things will happen with everyone. Sometimes after the engineering they got selected, but because of there is don't have interest, they will become in troubles whether I should join or not. These things will happen, but in your case you rejected that offer letter, then you went to Bangalore to explore yourself, to learn some more language.
I want to work in the software industry. So that's why, because this one is testing engineer, so it's a hardware, then I was not interested, then I come to Bangalore.
Means it's depends on your interest only, whether every fields are good. That's nice, Abhishek. Then what about your after your engineering you came to Bangalore, then what you did in Bangalore? Which are the language you focused on? What are the subjects you learned?
So basically I took guidance from my seniors, college seniors. I see in the workings if I attend workings in Bangalore, everyday workings, but right now is a pandemic. In a pandemic, that's why Bangalore is workings off. So
walking interview, walking process in Bangalore, everyday walking process. In one BGS is the one group is there. BGS. You already aware the Bangalore job seeker group. So everybody join and you just attend the interview in Bangalore. So this is the thing. So in the same thing happened with me in the last. I come to Bangalore in August 2019. After that 3 months. Starting every day I went on the walkings, and then I see I lack my knowledge. Then due to lack of my knowledge, I have a lack of confidence also. Same time. If you are lacking knowledge, then definitely you are lack of the confidence. It makes sense.
So this is the thing. So I joined one private institute, and then I improvised.
Means guys, in case of him, after when he came Bangalore, he tried to join any company, but means number of walk-in interview will be here, but the thing is that because of lack of confidence and some programming knowledge, he don't know that much. That's why he thought to join some institute. That's why he can able to get more knowledge about that the things. Then after that I can join, I can able to easily get the companies, cause in Bangalore, in India, normally in India the software industries are too much. That's why as per his area of interest, he joined some institute and learned something. Then finally you started for the walk-in interview and attend the selection process. Yeah, that's very nice. And Abhishek, one of the important points that every viewers want to know, in case of the ECI Telecom, how was your interview process? What are the process happened with you? Which are the language they majorly focused on?
Okay, and in ECI Telecom there are the four round of technical interview. Okay, so in a 4-round technical interview, the first round they are conducted. And it's mainly focused on the Python. Okay, so basically it's a networking based company. Okay, so we basically focus on the Python, and in a Python is basically some topics required in a dictionary and some list.
Sure.
Okay, so these things they are in a first interview they are taken. Then he's satisfied with my performance.
Means majorly in first interview they focus on the Pythons. In that, if you go in depth, then they focus on the dictionaries. Like that means in the basics they asked.
In the basic, in the basic things they are initially they focus. And after that, in the first interview. And in second interview,
after how many days you got the second round information?
The second round information is within 5 days, within a week. All the procedure is too fast. So within a week they give the so I reschedule because in a COVID situation. So it's a online procedure, everything online. So it's the MS team. I joined the MS team. Microsoft team, and they are taking the online interview. So in the second round they ask about the networking concept, TCP, IP and everything. Then he asked about your project and what you did in a project. And at the same time, in the third round interview,
you selected in second round. In that round, they majorly focused on TCP IP. Then along with some your project.
Networking. Networking parts.
Guys, a project. No doubt. Definitely.
In a see, if you done your project by yourself, then no need to worry. Whatever the whatever the things you have done in a college day, you just go through the project book and whatever the project material, and that's it enough. And you just explain if you are going for this type of the good company, and the company they are only know about the what kind of challenges you are faced in your project. So depends on the company to company. If vary the project questions, don't stick to this question will ask in this company. There no need to worry. Same question will ask another company.
Exactly, these things will happen, but you should be prepared about the major subject. You should be prepared. You should be aware about that. That's nice. Then when you get the second round information, so you got selected like that?
Within a week, all the procedure very fast.
That's so within a week. Why I'm intentionally focusing on these things? Because sometimes the guys are waiting for their confirmations whether they got selected in this.
I will tell you one thing. Whenever your interview is end up, at the end of interview in an online procedure, I tell you, they will give some clue about whether your interview is already you are the interviewer. You know how was my interview.
Sure.
So you already know. So you know whatever the things I have delivered. So you have a confidence I have that whatever the question I asked, and then I have confidence
exactly. These things will make sense. Means as per as our interview experience at the end of the expectations means facial expression of the HRs, you will get whether he is confirming or not to me. That's very nice. Then what about the third process? How you faced this process? And what
are the third round is very easy. In the third round, they are quite So they are given some topics from their side. So he wanted to know whether whatever the topics I am giving, whether they are understand properly or not. So they are giving us some a specific topic. Related to networking, not that much difficult. It's related to networking. I already completed, but it's telling so you just do it. Then I told so I will prepare. So he's giving again 5 days to timing. So within 5 days again he arranged a Microsoft interview. After that he's telling so within 1 hour interview is over. If you learn whatever the topics given.
Means majorly in which subject they focus in third round?
In the third round, they are assigned a topic.
Okay, they resigned topics. Okay, means they allocated some topics based on that. You should prepare that things, and you should represent to them. That's it.
Your presentation skills.
Means
checking the presentation skills.
Means basically they're checking the presentation skills.
Presentation skills is required.
That's nice, guys. Look at this.
Yeah.
And then what about the third round? When you
third round is over. So within the third round, the last round is the final round. Is my manager.
Okay.
Okay. So my manager is come to my picture. Then he's telling, okay, so I will give the one small not a small project. He's giving the dictionary related questions. Okay. So he's telling, okay, so I start the solving, but it will take time. Then he's telling, okay, so you just solve it, and you just post. You just send me the proper code, whatever you did. Then I tell, okay, so in the evening I will post your code, whatever the codes, and then after that I got the confirmation. Okay, so you are selected for the ECI Telecom. Then I was happy.
And I would like to say thanks to Abhishek to sharing his interview experience.
Thank you, man.
Thank you. Bye bye.
Bye bye.